Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
Happy Saturday, y'all. So it's Saturday in Louisiana, all over the world. Actually, I got my car was set 99 degrees. So I went and I got a little items from the store, not much. I got me some sherbet. I really went in there hungry. The rainbow sherbet, love this. Y'all ever made that punch where you use ginger ale, let it get cold, and then scoop your sherbet in there? It is so good. I got me some sweet potatoes. I got some smoked neck bones because I'm going to make my greens. I got me 5 bunches of these were small, y'all. And they're $1.50 each. But, you know, we spend a lot of money on things we shouldn't eat, so this healthy. So I got me some greens because I wanted some. I got my, I'm going to try this Simply Fruit Punch. Don't really drink this much. I thought it had a lot of carbs. I mean, it does, but it's not 40 something like a Coke. It's 20 something. So you don't see it? I can't see it. What does it say? 26 grams. I thought it was 40 something like a Coke, but it's not. I got me some Philadelphia cream cheese because tomorrow, well, maybe tonight, I'm going to make a pound cake and I'm going to make a fresh pound cake and I'm going to have my strawberry shortcakes for my Sunday. In the spirit of holiday, I have a sour cream pound cake. Be bless y'all. Much love. Bye. Meal. I also got these pork chops. Y'all look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pork chops. $4.64. And then I got another pack. It's 5 for $3.95. And then this is 5 for $3.57. This at that Cost Plus store though, they add 10%, but that's still not bad. I went ahead and bought 3 packs. I may go get some more. Y'all know I shop when it's on sale. I buy more than enough, right? Yeah. So anyway, you could bake these, but how I'm gonna do them this time, I'm making pork chops, rice and gravy, sweet potatoes, greens, and this pound cake. All right, y'all, that's all I have. Y'all, please stay hydrated. Please stay safe. If you don't have to go out in the heat, do whatever you do inside. It is very, very extremely hot. Unsafe heat is what this actually is. All right, y'all, talk to y'all later. Be blessed. Much love. Bye. Happy July 4th holiday weekend. Today is Monday. So I ended up missing taking some medicine. So I mixed some medicines and I have been like a zombie. Honestly today, so I didn't even go in the store today. I actually did a pickup order at Kroger. So Kroger had the sodas, the cheapest. I've seen them in a while. These were 4 for $14 without being on sale. They $8.99 a 12 pack. So I don't drink sodas very often, but in the event that I want one, I went ahead and got these at that price because I hadn't seen them that cheap in a while. I think Walgreens may have had them 3 for $11, maybe something like that. But I went ahead and just got these. Also, they had the St. Louis style ribs. That's my favorite. This is actually the pork spare rib without that tenderloin. So this pack was $7.54. They're pretty thick. And I think the other pack was $8. Look at that, regular $16. I got a 5-pound bag of russet potatoes. I didn't want to do dirty rice, potato salad, baked beans. We do it at church. We did it at church for Father's Day. We did that the week we did the community feeding. Then I did that at home for Father's Day. So I just didn't want that. So what I'm going to do is the smoked meats, loaded potatoes, and green beans. Y'all, I made a pound cake, a cream cheese pound cake for Sunday dinner dessert. It was so good. It was so good. I usually get the pure leaf unsweet tea. This time I got the cold gold pique because it's a little cheaper. And this is also black unsweetened tea. So I'm going to see how this is. I went to get the thing from Sam's and they didn't have it. But this came from Sam's. I went to Sam's. I took my brother yesterday and this was like $4 off. So I said I would try it. And it's no added sugars. These are like a dessert cups you get in the store. It'd be like 4 for $5. So this is 8 for $4. So I went ahead and got that. I got the hot dog buns because also tomorrow. So the meat tomorrow, I'm going to do some Mannys sausages on the pit, well, on the smoker. The tenderloins that I had from the other ribs, I'm going to cook that, and I may actually do 1 slab of these ribs. I know I'm not going to do both though, because we're going to have the sausage, like hot dogs, but it's going to be sausage. And I'm doing chicken breast. So if they don't want the sausage sandwich, we'll do. And this is the brioche bun. So we're gonna have I'm gonna do grilled chicken sandwiches. And you know, with grilled chicken, Swiss cheese goes good. So I got Swiss cheese. These were 99 cents at Kroger, by the way. The Colby Jack, got 2 of those. I got mozzarella and I got the extra sharp cheddar. And yes, the block cheese is so much better when you shred it yourself. It's really, really more flavorful. And so that's why I did it that way. But the Colby Jack, one of those I'm going to shred, and that's actually going to my loaded potatoes. You know, Kroger always have their green onion soup for $1, so I got 2 of those. And I always specify to make sure that my produce are fresh, no brown spots. I ordered 5 things of the Country Time lemonade, so they gave me 3 individuals and one with 10 in that. And sometimes I can't even find this, but these were $1.19, which they're $1.25 at the dollar store when I found them. And here are my green beans I have for tomorrow. I'm not cooking any macaroni, but these were on sale for $1, and they're normally $1.50 or something like that. So I went ahead and got 4. They'll last me a long time, but when they're on sale, like I said, when I see things that I do use and it's on sale, I'll go ahead and get it. They were $1 each. So I got that. These strawberries, these are the organic, and they were $1.77 a pound. So I went ahead and got these, and these are the Driscoll's. Driscoll's strawberries are so good. So I have a lot of strawberries already frozen, but the reason why I got these is because I want to cut these up. You don't even have to add sugar, y'all. Cut these up and put them on top of your pound cake with a little Cool Whip. Very, very good. You don't even have to add sugar to it. You don't. And that is all that I have. That's it. Happy 4th. Y'all be safe. If you're going to be out enjoying any festivities, make sure you stay hydrated because it's especially here in Louisiana. And honestly, it's not as hot today as it's been. I've been hearing thunder roaring in the distance, and so we're supposed to get rain here. But yeah. Anyway, be blessed, y'all. Welcome all my subscribers. Have a good day.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. No time to be sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love, I feel the love. I hope it never goes